Hello everyone, welcome to Datables. I hope you are all doing fine. This is a new video on how to create fiscal date table in Power BI using DAX. So let's get started. Now, how to create a fiscal date table in Power BI using DAX. So here are the steps to create fiscal date table in Power BI DAX. First, open Power BI desktop, click on modeling tab, then click on new table, then in formula bar enter the following fiscal date table. Now I will copy this from here. Then I will go to this PBAX file again. Then I will create new table. I will paste the formula, DAX formula here. Then I will click enter. You can see a new table is created. And if you see, like start date is 1/4/2020, that is 1st of April 2020, because we have selected 4 as a year start date, fiscal year start date. Now if I scroll to right, you can see that fiscal quarter number is 1 and fiscal month number is 1 for April. And let's check it for March. Let me filter it to March. If I scroll to the right, you can see the fiscal quarter is 4th and fiscal month is 12. So everything is there. In terms of formula, we have used calendar auto, and then we have extracted all year, month, quarter date, day, fiscal year, fiscal month number. And let's say for this is the code for when your year is starting from April. Let's say your year starts from July. Then we will write 6 here, not 6. For July it will be 7, and then we will press enter. Now let's remove filters from this column. You can see like date start from July, and for July the fiscal quarter is 1 and fiscal month is 1. So through this formula you can create fiscal year date table. So guys, that's all for this video. If you find this video insightful, then please do like this video and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to ask anything in comment section. We will try our best to answer all of them. Check us out on different social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook and Twitter, and check our websites, that is datawolves.com. So we'll see you in our next video. Thank you. Bye.